this video, I will be talking about this critical rejection from this moving average, and I will be talking exactly about what this currently means for Bitcoin. This is a very important level to pay attention towards right now, and on top of that, I will be talking about the most important patterns that currently are breaking out, that currently are providing resistance, and much more. So yesterday we smashed it up to 600 likes. Can we once again do it today? Slap up that like button below the video right now, and let's dive right away in towards the content. And let me start off with discussing Bitcoin here on the imminent short term, because on the imminent short term we can clearly see Bitcoin so far has not broke above the range high of the 22.8k. Yes, we've been seeing a small little wick above it, but like we do know, we need to confirm the 4-hourly candle close above this level in order to confirm a breakout on the top side, right? So far we're still trading in this range, and as long as we're not breaking bullish or bearish, but basically as long as we're not breaking out of it, we should not be, of course, all too excited or all too fearful in this case if we're going to come down. As long as we're trading in this pattern, we should be staying neutral, and of course currently we can see clearly we're in a very beautiful run up, and Bitcoin is most likely, yes, going to be continuing its way towards the upside. But of course, right now, we still have not confirmed a bullish breakout on the top side. The reason why I'm saying why Bitcoin is most likely going to be moving up is because currently we can easily spot, okay, we are starting to be forming somewhat of a parabolic run up. And this is, of course, usually going to continue towards the upside. As well, looking furthermore, we can look at the 12-hour time frame, and you can clearly see previous support flipping into resistance right here, and currently it's getting retested. And most likely, I personally expect that this previous resistance level is going to be flipping into support right now, and this is a very good long opportunity in the market. And of course, so far, this level has been providing perfectly resistance, and I wouldn't be all too surprised if this is once again going to be providing support just as perfect like we got rejected from the previous resistance ranges. So if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out BitGet in the link in the description. It's a very US friendly exchange, and you can withdraw more than 30 Bitcoins without using KYC. So make sure to check out BitGet in the link in the description. You can sign up for free, and it is a very US friendly exchange. You don't need any KYC, you don't need any VPN, so make sure to check it out in the link in the description if you are interested in trading. But yeah, you can clearly see currently Bitcoin previous resistance currently flipping into support. This is of course a very good sign for the Bitcoin bulls right now here. So I am also actually very excited on how this is going to be playing out, but still in the 4-hourly time frame, I'm going to be remaining a little bit more cautious. Furthermore, on the daily time frame, it looks to be that we're forming still this bear flag, and so far we have not necessarily confirmed the breakout yet here. We can clearly see that Bitcoin did bounce from this previous strong level of resistance, what was of course the $20,000, and currently is flipping into support and bouncing the market every single time we are touching this level right here, like you can see, bouncing the market back up here. So yes, if you did have bought any Bitcoin below $20,000, I do think you did a very strong job here. And of course, yes, we could still fall lower and we could still fall down to $20,000 or $18,000. But yeah, it does look like $20,000 is a very strong level of support for Bitcoin right now in this market. Furthermore, we can look at the daily time frame on the parallel channel, and basically how last time around Bitcoin also was consolidating. Bitcoin is consolidating the same again, and it did broke out bullish, and currently we are getting the retest of this very strong resistance target right here, like you can see. And will it right now flip into support? That's going to be the big question. But so far it looks to be we're holding up just fine. And yeah, just like last time around, the moment we broke bearish from off this pattern, we fell down very quickly, and right now we're breaking bullish. So are we once again going to increase very quickly? My price targets for an increasement from here on is going to be somewhere around to 25.3k. So please don't really target levels around 30k. I personally think the 25.3k is already going to be a very big take profit target that you should definitely benefit from right now. Furthermore, we can see on the daily time frame that the symmetrical triangle also broke bullish, of course also having price targets around to $25,000. Furthermore, we can see on the weekly time frame is that the 200 weekly moving average, the most important support to look at for the Bitcoin price section, previously around in the bear market, provided very strong support, right? What it is currently doing, it is providing resistance. Since we closed below it, we have currently been trading below the 200 weekly moving average for over 35 days here. And this has historically never happened in the Bitcoin price action history. And like you can see, if we're zooming in a little bit right now, on the daily time frame, we are clearly getting rejected by the 200 weekly moving average. And this is definitely the most important level to be breaking above. And of course, it's also looking to be one of the most important resistance to be breaking right now here. Like you can see, it's providing massive resistance. A lot of people are selling their Bitcoins on the 200 weekly moving average. And so far, it is still for me as well the level to look at to be breaking right now here. So 200 weekly moving average currently providing resistance. We have to be breaking above it. So guys, if you did enjoy the update video, make sure to slap off that like button on today's video. Consider as well subscribing to the channel. And of course, if you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above. Because yes, I made a tutorial about how you could copy trade here on the cryptocurrency market without any trading experience. So make sure to check out that video and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.